Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to update Instagram on PC Windows 11. We will start by opening the Microsoft Store from the search bar. After that, we will enter the library option. Applications that currently have an update available will appear here. Let's search for Instagram and check if the update option appears to click on it. If not, it means that we already have the most recent version installed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.